felt cheated, I complained. You know how I love to complain. For all the wrongs I repeated, though I was to blame, I still cursed that rain. I didn't have a prayer, didn't have a clue, and then out of the blue, God gave me you to show me what's real. And there's more to life than just how I feel, and all that I'm worth is right before my eyes, and all that I live for, though I didn't know why, now I do. 'Cause God gave me you. For all the times I wore myself beating like a favorite shirt, all wrapped up in that hurt. For every glass I saw half empty, now it overflows like a river through my soul. And every doubt I had, I'm finally free, and I truly believe God gave me you to show me what's real. There's more to life than just how I feel, and all that I'm worth is right before my eyes, and all that I live for, though I didn't know why, now I do. 'Cause God gave me you. In your arms I'm someone new, every tender kiss from you. Oh, must confess, I've been blessed. God gave me you to show me what's real. There's more to life than just how I feel, and now that I'm worth is right before my eyes, and all that I live for, though I didn't know why, now I do. 'Cause God gave me you. God gave me you. There are times when I just want to look at your face, with the stars in the night. There are times when I just want to feel your embrace in the cold night. I just can't believe that you are mine now. You were just a dream that I once knew. Never thought I would be right for you. I just can't compare you with anything in this world. You're all I need to be with forevermore.
Hi Mine, kamusta? Happy first anniversary. Mm, Thank you so much sa mga binigay mo, lalong lalo na tong pillow na to. Mm, so sweet mo talaga. And then sana hindi ka magbago. Hindi ko inaasahan to. Na-expected ko talaga na aabot tayo sa ganito. 1 taon na. Diba nakakatuwa siya. Kala ko hindi magwo-work kasi nga medyo may nag-aaway tayo minsan. Yung tampuhan natin. Kala ko hindi mag-work. So kala ko hindi tayo magtatagal. Pero I'm so happy kasi nga ikaw na yung binigay sa akin ni God. So aalagaan kita, I promise. Hindi akong babago. Tsaka don't worry, yung pinangako ko sa'yo tutuparin ko yun. Pero wag mo na natin madaliin. Darating din tayo dyan. Thank you so much Mine sa super effort mo. Love you. Thank you. Love you. Then tiis lang tayo konti Mine na magkikita rin tayo. Medyo 1 taon na lang para konting ipon lang pwede na siguro na ako umuwi. Vacation lang muna. Pero don't worry, hindi ko na mababayaan yung trabaho ko dito. So kung merong mas malaking opportunity siguro i-grab ko na yan para mas lalo tayo makapag-ipon masyado. Tsaka matuloy ko na yung naasam nating dalawa. Excited na nga ako sa ganun eh. Sana nga dumating na yan. So excited talaga. So thank you so much dito sa necklace na binigay mo. At saka sobrang saya ako dito sa, you see, yung picture natin dalawa. Thank you. Sobrang touch talaga ako. Not expected talaga na ganito. Hindi ko inaasahan. Thank you so much Mine ha. Then alagaan mo sarili mo dyan. Huwag mo pabayaan sarili mo ha. Pataba ka. Promise mo sa akin. Yung mga promise mo sa akin tuparin mo yun ha. And then I promise you na masalabi ko sa'yo tuparin ko yun. Thank you. And then don't forget, pray to God. Lagi kang pray. Lagi kang nag-thank you every day, every hour. And then regards mo sa family mo, kay mama at kay papa, and then sa kapatid mo dyan na yung silim, yan, ang kapatid mo, then kay tita, kay lola, tsaka sa mga pamangkin, regards mo na lang sa kanila. And then don't forget my family, minsan pasyal ka dun ha, may miss ka nila ate tsaka mga pamangkin ko. And then Mine, gigigil na ako. Thank you so much. Love you. Babayan sarili mo ang pataba ka. Hindi ako din naman nagpapataba ako pero lumalaki tiyan ko. Joke lang. Thank you so much. And then happy first anniversary. Expected na tatagal tayo ng ganito. So I wish to God na forever na to. At huwag na tayo mag-away. Huwag na tayo magkatampuhan dalawa. Tsaka seryoso na tayo sa buhay natin. Hindi na kasi tayo bata. So wala na muna hard work muna. Then saka na yung enjoy natin pag okay na lahat. So sige na, bye na. Thank you so much. Love you. Ingat ka lagi dyan. Don't forget, pray ka lagi. Love you Mine. Excited na makita ka. Pero konting tiis pa. 1 year pa. Dapat lumipas na yung 1 year. Love you. Thank you. Thank you so much sa pillow na to. Bango. Love you. I love you. Merl and Son equals Mine. Thank you so much. Love you Mine. Happy first anniversary. Love you.